What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Willow Stacks, man, and I'm back at y'all with an AMG night drive video. So as y'all can see, I'm back in the AMG. It has been a year, y'all, so I'm sorry for the wait, but y'all did love the first video, so y'all know I had to run it back. As y'all can see, I got the AMG with me. You know what I'm saying? I don't really gotta do too much talking for the interior. The interior speaks for itself. And as y'all can see, I'm gonna take y'all with me on the drive downtown. Y'all finna get pops, burbles, all of that. Y'all already know what's going on. But I do got one question for y'all before I start the video. Do y'all think I should go big body two-tone Maybach? The white on black? But I do love the green GT, y'all, but I do feel like it's time for something new, and that two-tone Maybach do go crazy. For the right spec, I might do it. Now, y'all let me know what y'all think about that in the comments. And yeah, I'm gonna take y'all with me. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we pulling out of the garage. I apologize if the angles sometimes while we're in the city get a little hectic, but if y'all don't know, I'm shooting this on my phone, so it's not on a GoPro or nothing like that. But I ain't gonna yap my ass off, y'all. Like, you feel me? I'm gonna try my best not to yap too much, but I'm finna hit the city right now, get some nice little sounds, some burbles, some pops, things of that nature, and just show y'all around the city. If y'all don't know Tampa, Tampa ain't too turned. Let me stop acting like Tampa like that. But you feel me? We do got a downtown, and it is a vibe. So it's only right if I take y'all with me. About to get on the highway and then be there. Damn, turn signal don't want to turn on. Y'all know I gotta switch to that. We might go race. We might just gotta go race. I get some off the walkthrough. Definitely get some on the ramp. Don't want to give me no pops yet, y'all. I gotta let it warm it up a little bit. There you go. As y'all can see, we just getting into the city. How y'all feel about the AMG? Damn. How y'all feel about the AMG interiors, though? Some people say they too flashy. They doing too much. I ain't gonna lie. I love the way it looks. The people that be saying that probably, like, you feel me, don't even got one. So I do think the AMG interior is the best looking interior out there. It go too, like, especially, I don't know if y'all seen, like, the new, like, as I was talking about the Maybachs and stuff, like, the new, like, sound system lights that come out and all of that, and, like, the lights on the roof and on the back of the seats, like, those interiors are even crazier. Oh, the Federales? What just happened? They stopped somebody out there? Oh, snap. They got the tunnel closed, y'all. Dang. Well, that's a bummer. Hold on, my nigga. I'm trying to get out of here, bro. Go ahead, bro. Like, nigga, about to fucking hit, nigga. Like, yo, bro, do you not see me backing up? What the fuck is wrong with that nigga, yo? I'll follow y'all. Little road rage incident right there. Shit, I'm tweaking. Yo, I haven't eaten none today. I might gotta, y'all know I'm a little big bag, so I definitely gotta get a little something to eat. Do y'all ever go days without eating, bro? I know that's like a mad random question, but like, since I don't be like hitting the gym like I should for real, or doing like that much exercise, sometimes I'll just go like a day without eating or something so I don't get too crazy. But maybe that's just me. Let me know in the comments if y'all ever be doing something like that, or if y'all just eat 3 times a day and don't care about none. That's different. Y'all hear that? So, all right, y'all. So, hold up. Bear with me. So I had to turn on the GPS because, yeah, your boy kind of got lost right there. I know I said it 3 times, but it do get a little spooky out here when you don't know where you're at. You know what I'm saying? So I'm getting back in the city right now. I'm about to give y'all a little tunnel pull before I put a wrap on the video. And if y'all are wondering, yes, guys, the city is really that small. Like, there's really nothing to really, like, go out my way to show y'all too much of. But, you know what I'm saying? We got a tunnel right here. I'll give y'all a little pull. This is a very cool tunnel with the lights and stuff. I'm about to try to get one more tunnel pull at this other tunnel. See if I can. And wrap it up. Alright, y'all. So I'm going to give y'all some res in the tunnel. Do know, though, I have a rev limiter at like 4K. So it's not going to sound too crazy, but you do get some pops, though, for sure. I'm about to spin around. Give y'all a launch. Actually, I'm gonna just give y'all a launch right here. Give y'all a little launch. I'm about to spin the block. Hold on, y'all. Pops sound crazy, y'all. Them pops do sound crazy. Y'all, I got the Montclair's right now on in the Florida weather. I don't even know if y'all can see me for real, but it's crazy. You feel me? Like, they probably looking at me like, yo. I mean, it is 50 outside, so it's like the one time it would be okay, you know? But let me put my seatbelt on. Like, y'all already know what's going on. I was just at a stop. Safety first, though. Hold up. Damn, seatbelt want to keep playing with me. But I definitely just put a poll on my gram as far as the... Obviously, I'm going to be the one to come to that decision, but y'all are part of this creative process. So I definitely just put up a poll to see, like, if people rocking with the Maybach or the GT, like keeping the GT. Now, knowing how I am, like, I love the GT, but it's like sometimes I just be wanting something new for real. You know what I'm saying? It'd be like that. But I definitely love the GT though. Yo, bro, you're not serious, right? Oh, now you dead ass. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get one in 3rd gear. Oh yeah, pull right here. It'd be like 2 or 3. It's crazy. This is all stock, y'all. I hope y'all know, like, this car is completely stock. Like, that's all stock. But yeah, y'all, just gave y'all a tour around the city. I don't want to keep going around popping with my exhaust, because then at that point your boy might get arrested. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Y'all already know I'm grinding now all season 2025. I'm locked in, so y'all already know consistency coming with everything. Y'all know what to do though. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and stay tuned for the next one. Peace.